Welcome to all my Jeepers from around the world. I am Tony, the world's leading and probably only expert when it comes to solving the problem of water and wind getting into the cabin of your Jeep Wrangler, JKJL, or Gladiator. All right, guys, for the last 5 years, I've helped hundreds of people solve this issue because I started by solving it for myself. That's right, I had the same problem you had. Loud interior cabin, water all over the place, and it was frustrating. Now, when you go on the internet, the forums say, well, it's a Jeep, it's supposed to leak. Welcome to the club. And while I bought into that mantra and that mentality, I subscribed to it for a while. It becomes kind of old when you're sitting on wet seats or carpet smelling musty and moldy inside, and the light bulb just went off and said, why are they leaking? Everyone says it's a Jeep, it's supposed to, but why? And then the solution became actually pretty obvious, and like most things, the answer is sitting right there in plain sight. Guys, what I quickly realized was that the door side of Wranglers, JKs, JLs, and Gladiators all have this rubber weather stripping that goes around the entire perimeter of it. But the body side does not, and that is the problem. Every vehicle on the road today has a weather stripping on the door and on the body. So this way, when the door closes, they marry up together and they sandwich, leaving you a airtight and watertight seal. Now, like I said, Wrangler and Gladiators are the only vehicle that do not have this. And once I realized that, I tested out a number of materials, probably over 24 different materials to figure out, okay, since Jeep doesn't make a body side seal, and I can't go to a Chrysler dealer and say, hey, let me get the body side seal, what can we use to solve that problem? This led me down a rabbit hole for a few months of testing different materials that you find at big box stores, online, Amazon, eBay, and vendor sites that are available only to commercial guys like myself. And what I found was that there's certain things that I liked about gaskets, but it was never anything that I said, this is it. Oftentimes the gaskets were either too thick, or they were too thin, or they just weren't effective at all because they didn't fit inside the body lines of the Jeep. And that leads me to what I'm holding today, and this is the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. It is the body side weather stripping that is going to solve the very issue you're here for. This is essentially everything you're going to need to seal your Jeep up like a submarine, and let me show you what's included with your kit. Number one, I want to mention that this is made in the United States of America. When I manufactured this seal, I said to myself, I want to offer a lifetime guarantee on the seal, which means that the seal is going to have to be high quality. And I got one, a US-based manufacturer, and these are the guys for the job. They produce this super high quality, vehicle specific, and we work together to get the shape, the profile, the double-sided adhesion, this lip, and also the technology here is in this spine on this gasket. If you see it there, that does a lot of heavy lifting in terms of keeping this thing rigid and also redirecting water. So in this kit, you're going to get an entire spool of this material that you will then follow the cutlass for your appropriate vehicle, and you're going to cut all the pieces, because remember, we're going to seal this thing up like a submarine. Your front doors, your back doors, your rear cargo glass, your rear cargo hatch. We'll also be putting material on your freedom panels. In this version of the installation, which is something brand new that I'm really excited about, we're going to be sealing the entire rear and front sides of your panel. So this way water doesn't come down this track and then make its way to the inside. We're leaving no stone unturned, and when I say sealed like a submarine, I mean that. Every crack and crevice that water or wind can whip through, we're going to be barricading it with this seal here. And by the way, guys, it's super simple to install. You're just going to go ahead and release the double-sided, release the liner that is protecting this double-sided tape, and just like so, you're going to peel it. It's going to expose the double-sided tape, where you can see right here, and then you'll follow the instructional video that comes with your vehicle and literally just stick that material where I tell you to, and it's not going anywhere, trust me. Actually, the longer it sits on the vehicle, the more it kind of gets baked into the body side of the vehicle. Let's talk about what else is included with the kit. We talked about the cutlass, made in America. Here, you're going to scan this QR code, by the way, and you'll be meeting me right inside of the old garage. I'll be showing you how to perform your installation, literally step by step. And then, as always, if you have any questions, my contact number is there, where you guys can call me 7 days a week, especially on the weekends, because I know that's when folks are getting after this project. Now, I want to bring this to your attention because some people call me and say, Tony, where's the tools? The tools are on the back side. Okay, that wasn't a magic trick. Look, this is the front side. This is the back side. Here's the material that you're going to be needing to seal your vehicle up. Now, tools is right back here in the compartment. Okay. So inside this compartment, you'll have a bag of everything that you're going to need to perform this install, which includes alcohol, scrubbing pads, microfiber cloths, and a scissor, and a little bit of gel glue, because you'll be doing super sparing, like very minimal gluing. We'll be doing a little gluing right here at the A-pillar mucket, not anything crazy. And then any other little places that you might need a little bit of glue for that rubber to rubber transition, it'll be included in your kit, so everything you need is going to be right there. And then lastly, help spread the word is right here. This is where people have received this kit, scanned this code, and left those awesome reviews that you guys might have read on the website. Well, you can also join the community and let them know how this worked out for you. So guys, this is everything that comes with your Jeep Leak Fix kit. This is everything that you're going to need to seal wind and water out of the interior of your cabin. And most importantly, it's not that you're purchasing a weather stripping or rubber that's important, because I purchased many different weather strippings, many different rubbers, and tried to stick them to the body side of the vehicle, and it was ineffective. What you are getting is 5 years of experience, trial and error, speaking to people from around the world, figuring out what worked, didn't work, restructuring installation videos, which, by the way, your installation video is going to be shot on these Meta Ray-Ban glasses, and you'll get a first-person perspective, a POV look at everything I'm doing. Something else that I'd like to mention is that this installation is effective on all 2-door, 4-door, hardtop, soft top, Sky One Touch, Best Rider sun tops, you name it. This installation is going to cover all of that, because ultimately the problem is at the doors and at the junction points. Something I want to mention here with the Freedom panels, the installation is not connected to the Freedom panel, so you're not like locked in. The edges of the Freedom panel get the material. Same mindset went on for the rear hardtop. Should you want to remove it, well, we made a small incision right here where it comes apart with a blade, and that allows you to now remove your rear hardtop and put it back on without disturbing the rest of the installation. Same thing for your soft top. Where that junction point is, you make a slit, and it allows you to put your soft top up and down without, again, disturbing the rest of the installation. So this way, you're never locked into that configuration, because honestly, this is why we bought the vehicles, right guys? To take them apart. But that's the gift and the curse. The fact that they come apart leaves a lot of weak links, and these weak links allow water and wind to kind of whip through into the interior of our cabin. But there is a way to fix that, and this is the solution right here. Guys, like I said, you're not buying rubber, you're not buying weather stripping. I come along with you on this. I have over 5 years experience in solving this problem, and if ever you need my help, any day ending in Y, so that's Monday through Sunday, especially on the weekends, Saturday and Sundays, I'm available. So you're getting not only the material that was specifically engineered to go on the doors of your vehicle and the cargo area and this and that, but you're also getting expert help from me. I pick up the phone, test me, call me. You've read the testimonial. It said, oh my God, Tony's amazing. I've actually been accused a number of times of having the best customer service people have ever experienced in their life ever. That's because I pick up the phone, I talk to you. I'm a real Jeeper just like you. So if you guys have questions, just know that I'll be right there in the garage with you, almost like your next door neighbor or the brother-in-law who's always kicking around the garage, using your tools, losing them, and drinking all your beer. Well, I'm kind of like that guy, except I'm not going to use your tools, drink your beer, or be annoying about it. I'm just going to be there to say, hey, John, send me that picture of what we're talking about. And all John has to do is take his phone, point at something, picture, text it over to Tony. Tony gets back with John, Barbara, Susan. I don't care where you are in the world. Actually, I had a guy call me from Israel one time with an installation question on WhatsApp. And by the way, WhatsApp is a great place to reach me as well if you're not in the United States. So guys, I just wanted to mention to you that I'm available 7 days a week to help you with your installation. The installation video that I've produced is comprehensive. It's literally through these glasses, you see my hands, you do the thing. This is not hard, guys, at all. It's just the logical thing to do to solve your problem. Now, with that being said, guys, thank you for your time and attention. The Jeep Leak Fix Kit is the solution that you have been hoping for, that someone produces. And here it is. It can get shipped directly to your door. By the way, there's free priority shipping here in the United States. And then if you're anywhere around the world, just select what's the best form of shipping to get it to your door. So guys, thank you for your time and attention. As always, have a blessed day. If you guys have any questions 7 days a week, you know where to find me.